Hey everyone, this is Walkus with Mobile Centrics, and today we have Derek with us. He's part of the MS family.
And today we're going to be introducing Casper Pro.
So two years ago we launched Casper, and our mission has been to find a tempered glass that's better than the AA industry norm. We've worked hard. We've been working on trying to figure out the flexibility, the durability, the strength of the tempered glass. And we've been trying to figure out, what is it that shops are mostly facing problems? And now we feel after 2 years we're ready to launch Casper Pro.
When Walkus showed me the new Casper Pro, I was actually just speechless because I didn't think it was possible to exceed the quality that we have in our Casper tempered glass. But the things that he was able to show me, I didn't understand how it was physically possible for a tempered glass to be improved upon to this caliber.
Thank you, Derek. Well, Derek, I guess tempered glass boils down to 2 points: the glass and then the installation. So the glass part we've already figured out about 2 years ago, but now we're trying to figure out, the installation is one of the trickiest and hardest parts, and this is where shops really fear and are trying to do the installation for the customer. So that's where Casper Pro came up. So over the last 2 years, we've been working on how to make our Casper line better. So Derek, can you tell me on the installation side, what was the most troublesome side from a shop's point of view?
Right. I think one of the biggest things that all of my techs, including myself, struggled with was being able to install a tempered glass without dust. Dust would always find its way in on the edge, sometimes in the middle, and on top of that, bubbles. Bubbles were always present, and you'd always have to find a way to kind of squeeze them out. But sometimes you had an issue with the border. We've all been there. Installing a tempered glass for anyone, even somebody that's done it thousands of times, there's always that tempered glass that doesn't work out, and the only solution is to throw it in the trash and get another one in order to present a product to the customer that they're happy with.
So guys, Casper Pro solves these problems and more. So the problems as far as dust, not going to happen with Casper Pro. Problems of the white border, not going to happen with Casper Pro. We've been thinking of ways on listening to all the shops and everyone's problems that they've had in the shops, and trying to figure out, how do we make this better? And how do we make this that the shops are more open to having a tempered glass line which they're comfortable not just selling, but also in installing for their customers.
So Walkus, something we have to mention is that this is a patented technology by Mobile Centric that hasn't been done before. Let's show you how it works.
So guys, first thing, let's go over packaging. So we took the packaging very seriously. We made it a rip seal so the shops can easily be able to identify which product has been opened. Once you can pull it out, you'll see that it comes beautifully packed in a white box. You should be able to open it from the side. And once you open it, you're presented with the full instructions on how to install the tempered glass, which will come with your oil or your alcohol wipes, your dust remover, alcohol pad, and not your ordinary dust remover. And of course, the tempered glass.
And this is something that I was really excited for, the 10-pack. This is something that every shop owner wants to have. They want to have an inventory that they can have, that they can pull from really quickly, that makes it really easy to install.
So let me tell you something that we thought of when we were making the 10-pack. 10-pack's not really something that the average consumer is going to buy. This is more of a shop owner buying. Customer walks in and the customer's going to say that, can you put on a tempered glass for me? So do you need all this fancy packaging? I feel not. So what we included in the normal 10-pack are going to be your basic tempered glass, We gave you 10 not your ordinary dust remover. And then we thought that, hey, how are you gonna market this? So we put this retail card inside every box, which lets them know that, hey, that you do carry a matte finish or a privacy finish for an iPhone X, 11, anything else that you're selling in your store. So as you're buying these cards, you can start to fill up your stores with these retail cards. Shops, the customers can bring this up to the cash register, and they'll be able to scan a barcode as well, which is completely different than the barcode on the packaging. So this way it lets you organize your inventory and then count how many tempered glass that you physically need or you've actually ran through.
We've got some baking soda. This would represent the ultimate dusty or dust. And I'm going to show you here in a second. I'm going to spread this all over the table, put the tempered glass down on it, adhesive side down, right onto a whole pile of baking soda, and see how we can bring that tempered glass back to a perfectly installed tempered glass. Bubble free, dust free. It's amazing.
All right, there's the sticky side down. I even cover the front side. That screen protector would typically be something you could not come back from. And here's something you would never do with a standard screen protector. We'll set that aside for a second. You can see I've got this iPhone. It's got a broken screen protector. Chip there, chip there. Now with this screen protector here, watch this. Look at that. All the way around. Both directions. Alright. I'll still be able to install this as if I hadn't cleaned it with the paper towel. This is the sticky side. Fingerprints. Right. Things you could never do with a regular screen protector. You can even take something like isopropyl alcohol, at 99% isopropyl alcohol here, and here on the sticky side. Take this dust remover, but this is not your ordinary dust remover. Right, it's designed specifically for the Casper Pro tempered glass that we're working with. You can see we do have some dust under there. Let's clean off the dust that's on the top. You can still see there's quite a bit of dust under there. I did that on purpose. I wanted to show you that even when there's an installation this bad, you can still recover from it. Watch this. to really smooth out the sticker here. Let's give the screen one more good cleaning. Less covered in dust, and now I'm just going to carefully go around. And what this also has the ability to do, which is different from any other screen protector that I've ever run into in the industry, is it has the ability to really absorb any small piece of dust to the point where there are no bubbles at all. Won't get bubbling around the border. And the coolest part about this is you can try again and again and again. You can peel it off, you can put the sticker right back on, peel it back off, do it over and over again until you finally get the result that you were looking for, where you have a nice seamless tempered glass installation with no dust, no debris. And again, you can do it over and over and over again.
So guys, it's Casper Pro is available at mobilecentrics.com. It comes with retail packaging and 10-pack packaging for clear, privacy, and matte. Mobile Centrics is on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram.